Stop by and take a look at the 2011 Sprinter. For those with a job to do, look no further. The Mercedes Sprinter is for you and is priced below $85,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.